am a professional. Don't try this at home. Why have strangers throw knives at you? You try any of this stuff, do it at school. There's a bigger audience there. Because I want to show you my new attachment to the Harlet. Okay. I'm unloaded right now. But look at this attachment. I threw this on Tinkercad. I know the bolts are too long, but I just don't care right now. I'm trying to see if it's going to work. But watch this. You ready? Oh, look, can you? Oh boy. Let's see. Hopefully you guys can see this video. Let's see. Let me try to not shake so much. And of course, it doesn't want to fire. How cool is that? I mean, listen, it's a work in progress. It's not there yet, but it's getting there. Let's try some spray paint. It can't hurt, right? All it's gonna do is just explode in our face. Let's try spray paint. Let's see. Well, we got it. Crap! I got spray paint all over me for that. Simple. What I did. Little cat laser toy. Let's see. Okay. See that angled cut I put in that right there? That's the laser to turn it on and off. That's the button to turn it on and off. But that little guy, focus, thank you. That little guy right there. On the Harlet, you see that little notch right there? That little notch slides in, lines up with that, and then whenever you want to turn it on, you just push it in, and there you go. Flip her open. See if we can hit steel from here. Right there. See the